We give an example here. Log a square divided by b cube. This one is the same as log a square division, that is minus log b cube. That's what it means. But we have said that this one is the power, therefore it means that 2 log a minus 3 log b. When a log doesn't have a base, the obvious base that is there is base 10. You should know that. Number 4, log of a to base b will be equal to the reciprocal of log a b. Let me give a practical example. If we have log to base 3 2, similarly we can write the same thing using this notation, that 1 the reciprocal of log, instead of 3 the base, now we have base 2 and then 3. This one and this one is the same thing. Very important to note, because sometimes you need this to know this. There are some problems that need you to understand this so that you can be able to solve them. Example, simplify without using tables. Log 25, this is the base 10, plus log base 10, 625 to base 10, and this. So how do we go about this? First, you need to say that this one, we can write this number in a different way. So how else can we write this? We can write this number as log 5 square, right? Plus log 5 raised to power 4, we divide by log 5. We have said that whenever you see a number written like this, it is simply you bring it to here. This is 2 log 5 plus 4 log 5. We divide by log 5. Now, since the log is to base the same and it is log 5, so the base is the same, we can even ignore because it is like 1 divided by 1, so it is the same, the base is the same. So this one, ignore the base, we have 2 plus 6, right? And that one will give us, so plus 4 will give us 6. So the answer there is 6, because the base is the same. Or from here, we know this is 2 log 5, 4 log 5. It's like 2m plus 4m. What do you get? 6m. So we will have 6 log 5 divided by log 5. So log and log cancels and the answer is 6. So you should know that.